Te, what's your phone?
My phone is... ano to? iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Ah, patingin na wallpaper.
Pakita ko na eh.
Reveal.
Kita ba yan?
Hindi eh.
Yan yung mga lion kami.
Wow. Happy family.
Siyempre.
Thank you. What's your phone?
iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Wallpaper reveal.
Madami.
Lo, ayos yan ah. Sa dinami-dami niyan, wala man lang ako dyan.
Kailangan ko dark.
Dark. Eh, di gawin mo ano, black and white yung picture ko.
Ang gusto ko sa'yo colorful eh.
Ay, nako. Samin,
Ah,
what's your phone?
iPhone 17 Pro Max. Qualified.
Wallpaper reveal.
Drawing ng crush ko.
Drawing ng crush mo. Ayos ah. Boss, what's your phone?
iPhone 11 Pro Max galing kay Bossy.
Wallpaper reveal.
Boss Tony Arabo.
Hanggang ngayon ah.
Siyempre, Arabo ko eh.
Gun,
Yo,
what's your phone?
11, 16 Pro Max. Yeah,
Ano nga?
15.
15. Wallpaper reveal.
This is my labi-dabi from Cebu.
Di makita. Ayan.
This is my wait lang. This is my labi-dabi
Nips.
from Cebu. I miss her
Oo.
so much.
Pierre, what's your phone?
iPhone 12 Pro.
Wallpaper reveal. Uy, sarili. Nakita na.
Sorry. Kakabreak lang kasi.
Kian, what's your phone? Wala, ano yan?
Siyempre, iPhone 11.
Wallpaper reveal.
Wallpaper, kailangan.
No, syempre.
Oh.
Mac,
Oy,
what's your phone?
iPhone 13 Pro Max with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Wallpaper reveal.
Siyempre, ano yan? Yung parang mga gagawin ko, things to do. Mga
Ay,
things to do.
ganon.
Oh.
Grabe naman kasipag yan.
Ano yan? Inspired by Bon Ordona.
Bon, what's your phone?
iPhone 11. Joke lang.
Ano?
iPhone 13.
iPhone 13. Wallpaper reveal.
Wallpaper reveal.
Eh, ang ganda naman.
Hey. Meron din ng iPhone 14.
Ang dami naman.
Wallpaper reveal. Puro content.
Balong, what's your phone?
iPhone 0 Plus, fully cracked.
Wallpaper reveal.
iPhone 0
Taray, sarili.
Ayos to. Pati ba ito?
Wag!